In the event of a power cut, you may need to regain access to your garage and will therefore have to operate your automated retractable up and over garage door manually. To do so, simply pull the emergency release as indicated by the red toggle on the boom. This has now disconnected the garage door from the drive belt on the operator boom. Your garage door can now be opened and closed manually. To avoid damaging the operator boom, we recommend opening the door using the door handle, not by pulling on the red toggle. Please be aware that now your door is manually operated, it will not be prevented from uncontrolled closing by the electric operator, and you should therefore be mindful when opening or closing the door. If the door is disconnected from the operator boom when it is closed, and then reconnected at this point, it will lock shut when it returns to a close. If the red toggle is pulled and the door is disconnected from the operator boom when the door is open, it will not lock shut. When the power cut is over and electricity is returned to your operator, you will want to open and close the door automatically using your hand transmitter. To do so, you will need to reconnect the door to the drive belt. To avoid any problems, the emergency release needs to be reattached at the same point at which it was released. If you can't remember where this is, simply look for where the shuttle is on the drive belt. The shuttle is shown here. You can reattach the emergency release at the same point it was released by pressing the green button. Your garage door is now reconnected to the operator and can be operated automatically.